What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Jose, 4 times on. Hey man, we got a little vlog going on for y'all today, man. We got my Brody, he finna come cut my hair, you know. I just woke up, so I'm finna go hop in the shower and stuff. Finna go brush my teeth, you know, get the day started. Hey, we got a lot planned for y'all today. I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all with me, you know. So make sure y'all stay tuned for today's vlog. If you haven't go check out my other videos, go check them out. Hey, let's get straight to this video. Alright, y'all, so my boy Brandon just got here, so, you know, we finna go outside. We finna go meet him out there real quick. He finna go cut my hair. How to the video, though?
What?
Say hi to the video. Got my boy Brandon in this motherfucker's good. Bro finna go cut my hair, you see me? Got the supplies in that motherfucker. Type shit. Jeez.
Put sauce down in the hairline, then line it up.
Yeah, be taking that shit and then just do a little spray and shit on the end.
Alright, hot taper.
Hey, my boy Brandon King got me right.
Hey, it's Cuts by B5. Go tap in. $50, pull up. Got the enhancements, everything you need to the razor. Go tap in. Got y'all.
Alright, y'all, my boy Brandon just slid, you know, got me right with the cut, you feel me? Figured I might have to take an unnecessary Walmart/Target trip, you feel me? Nah, I'm just fucking with y'all. But hey, I'm probably finna go pick my money up and shit from my job, cause you know they had messed up my pay, so I'm probably gonna catch y'all when I go slide there in a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm in the car right now. I'm gonna go to my job and pick up this money. You know, I had to grab some little piece, you know, gotta get something to eat, shit. But I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to my job.
Like I beat, I'm talking to Star, I'm finna leave, but he got a chick with a bad daughter. I told him, see if she want me, that's 20 mil for me, and he go 30 mil for you, though. Bless the shooter and fuck the house.
I just picked up my money real quick, you feel me? Little something. But we finna go to one of my cousins and get this facial. I guess she's in school, so we're finna go to her and get this little facial from her, and we're gonna see y'all when we get there. All right, y'all, we just got here. We finna go get this facial real quick. It's raining out here and stuff. Go ahead and lock my doors. But yeah, we might slide to the mall too. I gotta go return some stuff, and I gotta go grab a couple Christmas gifts and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get in there. We finna go get this facial from Cuz real quick, and I'll catch y'all when we in there.
What, you recording your day? Vlogging your day?
Yeah, it's like a little vlog type shit. Alright, y'all, my shit done now. Y'all see my shit glowing, you feel me? Hey, we got Sanaya right here, you know, shout out to her for doing my facial today. Hey, shout yourself out.
My name's Sanaya. I'm an esthetician class at ST School at Tricoshi and Fishers. So come up here, get a facial, a wax, you know, make yourself look pretty, and yeah.
Alright, boys, we back out here. Hey, you see the skin glowing, you feel me? Hey, shout out to Sanaya, hey, for the facial. Hey, if y'all want to get a facial, I'm gonna drop information down below. Y'all go check her out. We out here on 96th Street in Fishers. So if y'all wanna go check her out, I'm gonna drop the information in the bio. So I'm finna go pull up on my boy Brandon again, the dude that just cut my hair. I gotta go grab these bullets from him so we can me, my boy Mike, finna go slide to the range real quick. We finna go to the range. You know, I'm gonna have some clips for that for y'all, and we're gonna see y'all when we get there. Get in the vlog, bro. Race. Put my boy over in traffic. Ha! Well, that shit slow, boy.
Yeah, I was born and made it out, so yeah, I should lay down. Made me
this bitch. You hear me? I got the star in this bitch. Alright, y'all, we finna slide. I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there. Finna walk in. Like G in this bitch. We got the bullets. The bullets though. Got a 100-pack right here. It's like 8:30. They close at 9. We got about 30 minutes right here. We finna walk in. I'm gonna let y'all know when we get back in here. Alright, y'all, we just walked up the fucking range, bro. Apparently you gotta be fucking 21 to shoot a handgun, but we can shoot fucking shotguns and rifles. How that fucking, they don't bullshit, bro. First, when we walked in, motherfuckers just staring at us and shit, so. Instant racist vibes. Big motherfuckers be on bullshit. But any other range, bro, you can shoot a handgun at 18 or plus, but I don't know, bro. Motherfuckers be on bullshit.
Yeah. That's why I don't like gun ranges. I feel like I should open one up myself.
Back at home now. I'm finna go here and chill. We're gonna still slide to the range tomorrow, so I'm gonna update y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, I'm at Walmart right now. You feel me? Had to go pick up a couple things, but I ain't gonna let y'all down. We finna still slide to the range though, so I'm finna go pick them up and I'm gonna get back at y'all when we get there. Yo, we just picked up Gabby. Mike already in the car right here. Okay. Wait till Gabby get in.
Guess what I did the other night?
Gabby, say hi to the vlog.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hi.
All right, y'all, we finna slide.
Guess what I did?
All right, y'all, we here at Indy Arms Coke. We just pulled up and walk in. All right, y'all, we got the targets right here. Slide in here. Holy shit.
Alright, we got the Lizard over here. You over here loading it up. Oh shit. It's already went in there. Okay. How you feel about it?
I'm great, bro.
Oh, good.
Get to the clip. I'm gonna set these bitches up and load it.
Y'all ready? Wait, y'all betting on one?
Trace.
Yeah, I was checking out.
All right, go ahead, y'all can do.
Ain't nothing in the, I'm
Go
gonna
ahead.
say
You can do it.
nothing.
Hold on. Go ahead.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Gabby got it. She got it.
All right, is it on vlog?
Do I gotta do
Go
it
ahead.
with what's his name?
Yeah, what we got?
Hold it.
You
Now
put it
put that
on
bitch up.
I think so.
Oh, it's there you go.
That light is bright.
All right, go ahead.
You gotta pull it
Oh, you gotta
all
pull
the way
it.
back, Gabby.
Okay, somebody can do it.
All right, go ahead.
I'm not doing it.
Too loose.
Why y'all looking like that?
How you feeling?
Cause they not knowing, Mike. They not knowing.
They not knowing.
Jason not knowing, cause
Oh man.
he talking about no, I'm scared. Please be careful, bro. Please be careful, bro.
Oh, let me see where we hit at on this.
Oh yeah, put that bitch back. Mike G in this bitch. What's that? G Flow?
Yeah.
Jason right here.
Yeah.
No fatter.
Lil Fatter.
Shit, maybe you too.
Let's see what Lil Fatter talking about.
Hello?
As soon as I got it, it was like that. Okay, exactly. Nice. Smooth. Good uppercut compression
Smooth
with.
See that? 22. So the other one.
So the other. Okay.
You got the beat. Sheesh.
Bro, off rip. First shots on offense.
I think about some of them mine.
Oh.
I ain't messing
Some
with
of them probably gonna be yours, though.
Yeah, I
See, nah, let me start
Put
off.
it
Let
in.
me start
Yeah. Put it up. Go up.
Bros. Oh.
Like that, yeah.
Okay, I got it.
No, I'm talking about how to handle that. How to get it to go back.
Sheesh. That mug go all the way back there.
Hey, you have my phone.
Oh, shit.
Let me
Huh?
go first. Let me go first.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Go first.
I don't really care
Show
that.
Mike.
Show him.
Show Mike. Let me show Mike.
Go ahead, go
Mike
ahead.
think
Give
he
me
the
my
best
phone.
shooter here. I'm the best shooter.
Use my phone.
All right.
Mike don't know.
Let's see if he getting his twin.
Watch me, Mike.
Baby. It's in my pocket.
You didn't hit shit.
I hit nothing.
Oh, you,
hit him in the middle in
the lady.
shoulder.
I hit the lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Damn,
see
you
it.
done killed the hostage.
Oh, man.
Where was he?
Hold on.
at?
Put
We
that,
gotta see what it
put that bitch back. We gonna see.
30 feet, that was kind of far, man.
Yeah, 30.
But I hit the target.
Your grouping is crazy.
4, 5, 6, 7.
You just hit the lady
Oh,
through.
shit.
It's all good. Players from
Yeah, I'm
Still
tired.
good another day.
Feel me?
Typically, on a couple of them.
30 feet, loser. What do you? How many you put in there?
I put 5.
That's gonna bring it back forward. That's
He
what we
even
did.
tapped him. He tapped him a couple times.
He did for real?
I don't know what he did.
Let's bring it in.
In his neck, everywhere. He tapped him up.
Let's see what he
I
did.
gotta shoot slow next time I shoot. I'm trying to go too fast. He
Oh,
tapped
okay.
him up.
Oh yeah, you got one
He tapped him
headshot.
up. Yeah,
Oh
that's all
yeah,
him.
that's it.
Oh.
30 feet.
Did I need to do it again?
Now you did it right.
I can't see it.
You think you hit something?
in the back. I see.
Oh, okay.
No.
We not gonna pull that one forward.
Which one you aiming for, bro? I just already bet. Yeah.
You hit her in the face.
Pour that bitch.
I don't think you hit her in the face. You gotta find out which eye. I think you hit her in the head one time.
Go ahead, pour that motherfucker back.
You hit him in the head one time, I think. He definitely didn't hit her.
It was 3 in there.
Nah, you snapping her.
Oh, there was
Oh,
like
yeah.
It's cool.
Nah, the ones up to the right is not cool.
If she was moving, she got tapped.
Yeah, for the yellow.
Yellow head.
Yellow.
All right, Chad. He
The
aiming for
yellow,
the,
it don't count.
he aiming for the yellow head. We gonna
Right
see.
here.
For sure.
How many shots you got?
30 feet, bro.
Three shots. We gonna see best of 3.
You got 3
I
shots.
think like I'm, I don't know.
Go ahead.
Best of 3 like you somebody.
Got 3 shots to hit the yellow. All right, let's see. Over under.
I don't think I hit him once, man.
Man, I think you hit it in the blue though, top left. And I said, nah, man, I'm tripping.
It's 3 in the head. Yeah, them
He's
bitches
good
hit
at
all
what
the way
you
up
do,
there.
Yeah, things mess up, man.
All right, hold, let me get let Vlog know. All right, so look, he going for the yellow. It's only 2 bullets in the yellow right now for 30 feet. Lil Zach.
No, don't even try, bro.
Yeah, that beam is not on. Bro definitely didn't hear. Let's see what he did. Nope. I think that was your blue. That's your blue right there? Yeah. That's all he did.
Alright, y'all, we just got done. We just found we shot the whole 100 pack right here. You know, just have to reload this.
Are y'all done?
Yeah, we done. We just shot the whole 100. I'm gonna show y'all the target when we get home, for sure. But shit, 10 out of 10 experience though, for sure. Alright, y'all, we at ChickfilA. Finna go grab this food real quick. You feel me? Finna go grab this food, eat real quick, and I'm gonna update y'all in a minute. Say hi. Alright, bro. Alright, just grab my boy my G up.
Alright, that was a nice range vlog. Y'all know me. I'm the best shooter here. I made money today off of having the best aim. Zach can't mess with me. Jason can't mess with me. And Gabby can't mess with me. I'm the best at everything. That's just what I do.
He's not the best shooter. I'm the best shooter. Definitely not the best shooter. Alright, I just dropped them off. I just, you know, we had to go grab some Chick-fil-A real quick. But hey, we finna slide to this place called, what's it called? Punch Bowl. Finna go to this place called Punch Bowl, me and the fam and stuff. But I never been there, so I'm gonna have to take y'all with me. We gonna vlog that and see what's up there. So I'm gonna hit y'all when we get there.
Around with 30 shots, my favorite twitch, I'm trying to blow. Give a fuck about no traction, and this guy spin out the snow. Almost feeling sleep, chilling with this bitch, that like it's time to go. Complain about some little shit, get up with the look and say it's so. Won't even.
Alright, y'all, we downtown now. We have to find some parking and shit. It's cold as hell. But hey, we finna go slide here. You know, we got downtown hitting right here. We got the Lucas Oil over there. Alright, y'all, we didn't end up going there. I guess the lanes was taken and stuff, and it was trying to charge 25. So we might go slide to a regular bowling alley type. But we downtown just walking. I'm gonna update y'all in a minute, let you know what we gonna do. But hey, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Crap, we out here. Got the gang right here, you feel me? I don't know where we finna slide, but we probably finna slide to this other bowling alley. Probably Beach Grove. If y'all know, if y'all been in Indianapolis, bro, y'all know Beach Grove Bowl 24 hours. We just paid $15 to park. We not even finna stay down here. Hey, she just ran out of gas.
Or she hit something. That's what it is. Close the door real quick.
Oh, she just hit something.
Hold on, close the door so I can come here.
Go ahead. Dang, oh shit, you can hop it up. Wait, what happened?
Her shit flat as a bitch. You see it, Apollo?
Damn! God damn.
What happened?
Really?
I know I gotta get this on vlog, cuz. I gotta get this on vlog. What?
Oh, damn. She got tired of this motherfucker?
Wait, where they going?
Oh, get her thing. That's what it is. Look. All this shit hanging.
Put a light on it. Wait.
Oh, it's hanging. Tony, what you gotta say?
She need her fucking glasses.
Tony said you need your glasses. Wear your glasses next time. That air going out too?
Damn, this one going down.
You fucking lying. I ain't got two.
Damn.
This one going down.
Chat, what the fuck is going on right now? Hey, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on what's going on. We about to fix this flat real quick. And we gonna slide bowling, and I'm gonna get to y'all. On the lead, yeah, we at Beach Grove bowl right here. We finna go in here bowl. We left the other place because they was charging too much, so we finna slide it here.
You showed me a video.
We slid to Beach Grove bowling. You know, I'm finna kick their ass real quick.
Jay said her brother.
Oh no, we got the food out. Hey. We about to be mad.
Is it good? Is it good? She turned her head. Is it good? She not trying to turn her head, bro.
They just breaking 20. Anybody getting service in here? Yeah, my shit must wherever I go. I got so far. I ain't getting no service.
Alright, we'll see what the Taser got. Oh man. Go ahead, let me see what you got. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Okay.
We out here, we just left bowling, you feel me? We're gonna slide home real quick. I don't know what I'm finna get into, but hey, I'm gonna let y'all know in a second. Rev it! I'll race you, bitch. 500. You gotta stay in the car for a second.
Why?
For 1 second. I don't know what they're doing. They said 1 second.
Alright, business
Oh,
park.
they must be talking. Well,
Yeah, I'm about to
They talking about something. I don't think she looking. Go ahead.
the wind gonna blow it out.
I said she looking.
Okay, just come on, ready, get up.
No, you gotta come to the front, Daniel.
Come to the front. Shit. The cake, though.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Happy
Hold
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yo.
I mean, I am driving.
All right, y'all. We out.
Alright, bye.
See y'all tomorrow, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm okay tomorrow.
See y'all tomorrow, right?
What are y'all doing tomorrow?
It's gonna be
We'll
at
kick
the
back.
old house. It's my cousin's birthday.
Remember?
She knows you, so you can come.
Oh, Mimi?
Yeah, Nene.
Yeah.
All right. See y'all tomorrow, yo. The vlog dropping
And
tonight.
then it's
So
gonna
make
be
sure
no
y'all tap in.
outsiders too, so you good.
Tap in, yeah. All right, y'all. We just left bowling.
I didn't laying in my bed for a second. Forgot to make my outro, but hey, we're gonna see y'all in the next vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure y'all leave a like down below, comment. We're gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.